Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to do some LDK extended testing. We are going to do some Super Nintendo. And I'm very curious how this thing is going to handle it. Alright, so let's go. Let's power it on and let's play some games. Alright, first game, let's play Battletoad. I'm going to do a little bit of zoom in. You can see the view angle is not good at the moment. Alright, a bit better. The sound is great. I don't know if the aspect ratio is correct, but I think a lot of people want to see it like this. This sounds really promising. Okay, what is going on here? Oh, it's gone. Alright, let's see. What are we going to get? Okay, no glitches over here. I didn't think so. All the sound effects are here. It's a good excuse for getting it. Alright, so alright, so I started up Doom, but that game is not going to work because it's an FX game. So Doom is no-go. The next FX game is Kirby Superstar, and you can see it's pretty damn laggy if you go watch this intro. So Superstar Kirby, no, not perfect at all. Okay, this needs to be on PlayStation 2. Okay, Mortal Kombat 2 is not giving any screen. Alright, so Super Mario Kart just rebooted and nothing happened, so we're going to go further with the testing. Let's play some Turtles.
Big Apple, 3 AM.
That's so weird that some games are just running perfectly and some games are just rebooting or glitching out. From this point, most of the games are not working. So that's a fact. In this program that I'm using, it's a problem. This one runs perfectly. Man, this program's serious problems. Again, no screen. What the hell, man? Alright, so in this part I'm going to try Pocket SNES. Not an emulator, but the sound is way horrible. Okay, now the question, does it boot and does it play the game? Okay, this time we have some image. If we have an image, so basically we can play the game. But the sound is freaking laggy as shit. I got my ass kicked. So this game has exactly the same problem with on the emulator. Wow, so we have some image now, but it runs like crap. Oh, make it stop! Ah! Okay. Alright, so this time it's not rebooting, it's playing the game. It's giving image, because I have seen some emulators even glitching out with FX game, but this is unplayable. Wow, horrible. Okay, you can see it here, it's running on 46, okay. No, I'm not going to give up. So what a fun fact is you can just change it in the menu. Okay, let's open up the menu. I'm going to do some tweaking, for example, original, frame scraping if you want. Frame rate is nothing, the frame rate gen change, sound on off, show FPS, prefer fluid, let's say the video. Okay, let's see if this works. Nah. So what we can do, we can... The funny thing is, it's playable. The sound is horrible, it's playable now. So nevertheless, SNES is not perfect on this device. Or somebody has an idea for making it better, but if I make this, making this video, this is just freaking horrible. Okay, we're back to the original software with the LDK Yellow. We're using this other emulator. Alright, so for the final conclusion, if it comes to the SNES part on the LDK, I've tried two emulators, but as you haven't seen, this is not 100% compatibility. It's pretty damn horrible with some games. Some games run just fine, but some games are just basically unplayable. That's what you're going to get. If you have any tips, you can always leave it in the comments to help each other out. So this concludes this video. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the gaming channel because we have a lot of great stuff going on there. See you next time. That was pretty damn horrible. That's so, oh my god. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.